video, I will be talking about Farmer's World, and I'm also going to give a giveaway worth $300 worth of starter pack into the description box below. So make sure to comment your wax address, and I will choose one up to tomorrow that will be given that kind of starter pack. So before I start into this video, do not forget to subscribe into my channel. It is Crypto Addict here, back again with another awesome update. So let's just jump right into it. Okay, so Farmer's World is a game wherein you can earn wood, or you can earn gold that you can exchange for wax tokens that has a value into the market. So these woods, this gold, this food that you are getting here in the game, you can just directly exchange it into a USDT token. So I'm just going to show it to you first of all what are like the brief introduction of this game. So it is one of the fastest growing NFT games. You can farm gold and NFTs within Farmer's World just by mining and playing in the game. Besides, farmers can use gold and wood to create their own tools and repair their equipments. So by fishing, they can catch fish to exploit food and then use food to maximize their strength stats. Later on, these stats are the main requirement for assembling wood. So every time the wood is collected, your strength, stamina, and toolware will also be consumed. So the better the tool, the more wood is gathered. Okay, so for you to play here, you need to mine. You also need to craft, and also you need to raise a pet. So you can buy these NFT game cards on secondary markets. Besides that, you can also create a bunch of brand new NFT game cards by craft feature. The NFT game cards include tools, weapons, and artifacts are this one. Okay, so I would recommend that you should buy an axe, fishing rod, and also a mining excavator for some gold, which of course this kind of gold can be used to repair your axe, your rod, and everything. So this is actually really perfect. So you can buy starter pack right now into the secondary market. So I'm going to show it to you right now. Okay, so you go back into the Atomic Hub. Okay, you search for Farmer's World. Okay, that's how easy it is. Okay, you search for Farmer's World, and you can buy some tools here, like a starter pack, like a membership or anything. Depends on what you actually want. But in my case, I would recommend that you should buy some fishing rod, some axe, because this is the best items that you should buy. So the lowest part is 148 for the fishing rod, and for the axe, okay, you can buy for like let me just scroll into the lowest. So you can buy for as low as $55, which is absolutely perfect if you're going to really ask me. Okay, so I think that is the first things that you should know into this game. So let's just start right now. Okay, like I'm going to open one star pack so that I will be able to show to you what is inside. So let's just go forward into the play and earn, and then okay, if you're using a wax blockchain, you choose this first part, this apy.wax.alohaeos.com. So we just going to log in here, and then of course select the wallet. So make sure to create your wallet first if you do not have any wax blockchain account. So just approve it. The good thing in Wax is that there's no transaction fees, there's no gas fees here. Okay, you can freely do transactions whatever you want. Okay, so now we will open a starter pack into this video. Okay, so let's open and let's see what we can actually see, what we can actually get here. So let me just open it. So you will go redirectly in the NeftyBlocks, and this is the site, this is the link wherein you can open your packs. Okay, so again, just log in and then accept the terms and conditions. So just agree and then just sign it. Okay, this is really the best thing in Wax, unlike the Binance or Ethereum blockchain, is that there's no gas fee or anything. So I'm going to open a starter pack. Okay, so let's just open this. So you can get anything inside this starter pack. So if you got really lucky, you will get even worth more than $500 or even $800. So I got a stone axe into my starter pack, which is not bad at all. So okay, what we're going to do now is this one. Okay, so we can get a wood, we can also get a gold or even a food by going into this part. Okay, so we're going to mine this. Okay, and then we're going to click the mine, and there's no gas fee again, and just approve it, and then you will be getting a wood. Okay, so let's just wait for a few more minutes on this part, and we will see it right away. Okay, so we've already clicked it. Okay, so I guess there's no wood right now. Oh, there's a wood. Okay, so I've got 6 wood right now, and for the fishing rod, so let me just mine. Okay, again, so it says loading transaction, and then just click the approve, and we will see. Actually, we will see. Okay, we will actually get a food here. So we are now having a 4.5775, and after that we've got 5 food. Okay, so what is this wood? What is this food? Okay, you can exchange this one inside Alcor Exchange for a wax token, and let me just show it to you real quick. Okay, so this is like the wood in Farmer's Token. So as you can see, let me just connect my wallet, and let me just approve this, and I do have. Okay, let me just like look for it. Okay, so this is the food and this is the wood. So you can exchange this one into an FWW. So let's say 11.08. Okay, so this is the wood that I'm going to get, and I can just directly exchange it for 10.19, 1300. So this 10.19, this is the FWW here. So let's say you have 10.1, so that's more like 3 wax tokens. And if you're going to look at a wax price, so let's click a wax price, and it also has a price here into the CoinGecko. So it is priced at 18 pesos, which is more likely 0.3 USD. Okay, so that's 0.3 USD. Okay, so into this part, okay, we are getting for like more likely 0.6 to $1 for every single hour, and it is not really bad at all. Because if you are earning $20 or $40, even $60 a day, that's actually really big. Okay, so you're just going to withdraw this one. Okay, let me just show it to you so that you will be able to know. Okay, so I'm going to really pay a small fees for that. So, okay, and then just really wait for it. Okay, and you see here I do have 10.19, so I'm just going to click it. I'm just going to sell it, and then just click the approve, and you can actually go into your Binance or into your Alco exchange, and you can even withdraw your tokens inside. Okay, so let me just show it how it works. Okay, so you go to the wallet, and then you click this one, transfer, and now you can transfer it into a Binance address. So let me just open Binance, and let me just log in here so that you will be able to see, and you will be able to know, okay, how you can withdraw, how you can earn money here, and how you can cash out, because that's very important. So let me just scan this QR code for me, and let me just authorize, and let's just wait for like 5 to 10 seconds, and it will be opened. So we will search for a wallet, which is a fiat and spot. So this is the other option. You can also use a KuCoin, and let's just search for a wax, and then just click the deposit, and you just going to click the memo. So just copy this and paste it here. Okay, so into this part. Okay, you paste it here. You type in the memo. You copy. And then you put how many wax tokens that you want. So let's say 3.61, and then just sign it directly, and you will be able to get it directly inside Binance, and also convert it into a USDT. So how you can convert it? You will go into this trade, click the convert, click the wax. Okay, wax. Oh, why is it not here? I think it is on the trade part. So let me just click this trade. So you're just going to look forward here, and then just swap it into a USDT token, and you're now good to go. So that's how easy it is, okay? You don't need to do anything. That's how easy it is for you to be able to convert and even withdraw your money inside Farmers World. Okay, so what are the best things that you should actually do here is that if you have a more budget, okay, I'm just going to go back here, and let me just go into the market, and let's click the Farmers World, and let's open the let's work for a mining stuff. So there is an excavator here. So this part right here, you are mining gold here. That is why it's very expensive, because you will be able to mine gold here. And what you're just going to do is if you can buy it, or if you can try to snap for some mining excavators, then probably you can get a gold, and this gold can use for repair to this kind of item inside the wax into your Farmers World, and be able to earn some money from it. Okay, so this food, okay, this food can be used. Okay, this can be used for an energy. Okay, so this energy is very important, because you are consuming energy every time you are mining. So it is very important to also refresh your energy, because if you do not have energy, you won't be able to get rewards here, and of course you won't be able to mine. Okay, so I think that is it for this video, guys. I hope you like this content. But first of all, okay, let me just go forward here, and I'm going to just show to you the Discord server wherein you can buy or sell your items directly there. So this is the Discord server, which I'm also going to put into the description box below. So make sure to join this one. Okay, so they do have more than 40,000 members. Okay, more than 40,000 members, and you can have any discussions here. You can have any questions. You can even buy and sell. So just agree, and just agree into the server rules, and then you will be able to buy and sell. You can even chat and ask some people here. So you can start for as low as $200 or $300. That's how easy it is to just start in Farmers World. So make sure to check this one out. Also, okay, they do have a YouTube channel, so make sure to follow them and subscribe into their YouTube channel. It is Farmers World. So this is what I'm actually looking here. So just look for the filters and just click for the channel, and you will be able to see it here. So make sure to just subscribe into their channel. Okay, so there's also a Medium guide wherein they are sharing some tips and tricks, and if you need any documents, if you want to do some of your research, just type in here into your website. So I'm also going to put this one into the description box below, so that you will be aware on this kind of stuff. Okay, so that is it for this video, guys. I hope you like this content. Do not forget to subscribe into my channel. It is Crypto Addict here, back again with another awesome updates, and see you on my next video.